Hey, party lovers! Get ready to be swept away to the magical land of Oz. Today, we're talking Wizard of Oz party decoration ideas that will wow your guests. Whether you're throwing a birthday, a themed celebration, or just love Dorothy and Toto. This video is packed with creative, colorful, and whimsical decor tips. We're bringing the Yellow Brick Road, Emerald City, and all your favorite characters to life. No need for a fairy godmother, just follow these fun and budget-friendly ideas. If you've ever dreamed of stepping into Oz, now's your chance to make it real. Let's turn your party into something truly unforgettable. What's the best color scheme for a Wizard of Oz party? Use a rainbow palette. Red for Dorothy's shoes, green for Emerald City, and blue Kansas skies are a must. Add yellow for the brick road, and pops of silver or gold for sparkle. Stick to vibrant, cheerful tones to give your party that fantasy feel. You can even assign different zones, each with a themed color, like an emerald photo booth or a yellow brick snack table. Decorate with matching balloons, ribbons, and tablecloths. This theme gives you room to play with bold and magical combinations. Keep it balanced. Use one main tone per area to avoid color overload. How can I create a yellow brick road? Use yellow craft paper or large foam tiles to create a walking path. Cut bricks from yellow paper and tape them down in a winding pattern. You can even paint cardboard pieces for a reusable version. Add glitter or gold spray for extra magic. Line it with mini paper poppies or tiny signs that say Emerald City this way. Use it as an entrance path, dance floor, or even a runway for costume contests. It's a great photo op and makes kids feel like they're on an adventure. Even adults will be charmed walking down it. Snap a pic of your yellow brick road and tag us. We'd love to see it. What should go on the main party table? Think themed tableware, ruby slipper plates, rainbow napkins, and emerald green cups. Use a bright table runner and layer with poppy flowers or fake grass mats. Centerpieces? Try mini hot air balloons or vintage books labeled Oz. Add small figurines of Dorothy, the Scarecrow, and friends. Use cupcake toppers with tornadoes, rainbows, and witch hats. Scatter glitter or faux jewels for that magical sparkle. Add DIY place cards with quotes like "There's no place like home." Keep the food themed too. Rainbow snacks and emerald punch. How can I make a cool backdrop for photos? Use blue sky fabric or a rainbow balloon arch as your base. Add printed cutouts of Oz characters or scenery like the Emerald City skyline. Hang metallic streamers for shimmer and movement. You can tape yellow bricks on the floor to lead into the scene. Frame it with flowers, tulle, or fairy lights for extra flair. Use a DIY sign that says "Follow the Yellow Brick Road" or "Welcome to Oz." Make it big enough to fit groups. People love snapping pics together. Kids will want to pose with Toto or Glinda wings. Post your photo booth setup and tag your Oz crew. Spread the magic. What are easy DIY decor items I can make? Paint mason jars to look like ruby slippers or hot air balloons. Make poppy flowers from red tissue paper. Create paper tornado spirals to hang from the ceiling. Design your own Emerald City skyline with cardboard and green paint. Use cotton or pillow stuffing as clouds over the snack table. Turn lollipops into lollipop guild treats with fun labels. Cut out character silhouettes and glue them onto straws or banners. Even tin cans can be transformed into Tin Man centerpieces. What about outdoor party decoration ideas? Line your driveway or path with paper poppies and yellow bricks. Hang rainbow bunting across fences or trees. Place a "Welcome to Munchkinland" sign at the entrance. Use garden arches to mimic entering Oz or Emerald City. Add themed yard games, like Find the Heart or Tornado Toss. Have a bubble machine for a Glinda-inspired floating effect. Even simple fairy lights create an enchanting nighttime vibe. Add scarecrow props or hay bales to set the rural Kansas scene. Tell us, are you planning an indoor or outdoor Oz party? Comment below. How can I decorate on a budget? Dollar stores have tons of colorful items: balloons, tablecloths, streamers. Download free printable decor and character cutouts online. DIY most of your pieces: tissue flowers, brick roads, and signs. Borrow craft supplies from friends or reuse holiday decor in new ways. Use what you have: green cups for Emerald City, red shoes for Dorothy. Shop clearance sections for anything rainbow themed. Repurpose cereal boxes as prop buildings or gift boxes. Simple ideas done well can look more magical than expensive ones. What snacks fit a Wizard of Oz theme? Rainbow fruit skewers, emerald lime jello, and yellow brick cheese cubes. Use red icing on cupcakes to mimic ruby slippers. Make popcorn tornadoes and paper cones. Add heart-shaped cookies for the Tin Man, brain cookies for the Scarecrow. Serve courage juice lemonade for the lion. Label everything with creative name tags. It makes a difference. Kids love themed candy stations, jelly beans as magic beans. Add a simple rainbow cake as your main dessert centerpiece. Got a fun Oz snack idea? Share it in the comments for a shout out. How do I include Wizard of Oz characters in the decor? Use cutouts, plush toys, or cardboard standees of Dorothy, Glinda, and more. Label stations with characters' traits, courage corner, brain games, etc. DIY masks or hats for guests to wear as their favorite character. Add character quotes on the walls or menus. Make character-themed goodie bags, scarecrow treats, lion plushies. Print small pictures of them for cupcake toppers or straw tags. Use voice clips or theme music in the background for ambiance. Create a scavenger hunt based on their journey through Oz. Can adults enjoy a Wizard of Oz themed party too? Absolutely. Add vintage Oz decor and elegant green and gold palettes. Serve themed cocktails like Emerald Elixir or Witch's Punch. Incorporate quotes from the movie as classy wall art. Use minimalist balloon garlands and soft lighting for a mature vibe. Set up a trivia or quote game based on the original story. DIY photo props with ruby slippers or a tornado hat. Offer costume options for all ages to get involved. Wizard of Oz is nostalgic and timeless, perfect for any age group. Love the idea of an adult Oz party? Like this video and let us know. Any tips for Wizard of Oz party games? Scavenger hunts based on missing items, heart, brain, courage. Pin the heart on the Tin Man or guess the quote from the movie. Tornado dance contest with ribbon twirls. Oz character bingo with prizes. Yellow brick hopscotch or cross the poppy field challenges. Photo challenges, pose like each character. Trivia quiz for movie lovers. Costume parade with awards. Best Dorothy. Most magical Glinda. What are fun goodie bag ideas for guests? Mini ruby slipper keychains, rainbow candies, or Oz bookmarks. Tiny plush lions, scarecrows, or hearts. Stickers with famous quotes or characters. Coloring books, or crayons in themed colors. DIY poppy flower pens, or Emerald City erasers. Add personalized name tags or thank you notes. Use small paper baskets or mini totes with Oz labels. They don't have to be expensive, just thoughtful and themed. Tag us in your goodie bag creations. We might feature them next time. And just like that, you're ready to host a magical Wizard of Oz party. From backdrops to goodie bags, we've covered everything you need. Remember, it's all about creativity, fun, and those whimsical Oz vibes. Don't stress about perfection, just add heart, brain, and courage to your planning. Even the smallest touches can leave a big impression on your guests. Let the yellow brick road guide your imagination. With a few clever ideas, you'll turn any space into a party-worthy Ozland. Now it's your turn to shine as the party wizard. Keep the inspiration going. There's no place like your home for a great party. Like this video if you found an idea you love. Comment below your favorite part or a tip you're excited to try. Don't forget to share this with someone planning a party soon. Hit that bell to stay inspired with more magical themes coming up.